This video is sponsored by Adobe Express. I like using Adobe Express because it makes it easy to create professional carousel designs quickly, and anyone can use it to create visually engaging content without needing advanced design skills. Adobe Express provides different canvas sizes depending on the type of content you want to create. Since we are designing a carousel post, I'll choose a 1x1 square blank canvas which works perfectly for social media. Now we have a blank canvas. First, I'll set the background color. For this carousel, I am choosing a mint background which gives a fresh and clean look. Next, instead of creating each slide one by one, I'll duplicate this slide. Since we need one title slide and 5 drink slides, I'll duplicate the canvas until we have 6 slides in total. This helps keep the layout consistent across the entire carousel and also saves time while designing. Now I'll start designing the first slide. I'll go to the text and add a new text element. For the font, I'll choose Times New Roman in bold italic. The title of the carousel is 5 refreshing drinks you should try this summer. Next, I'll change the font size to 80 so the title stands out clearly. After this, I'll align the text to the center of the canvas. To improve readability, I'll adjust the line spacing and text spacing so the title looks balanced. Next, I'll change the text color. I'll select a dark green color using a custom hex code which works well with the mint background and keeps the design consistent. Now add some decorative elements to make the slide more visually appealing. Go to the Elements section and search for summer elements. Here I'll choose a sunflower graphic and place it on the canvas. Next, I'll add another element, a half coconut drink with a straw and an umbrella, which fits perfectly with the summer drinks theme. Now that the title slide is complete, I'll move on to the remaining slides. For the next 5 slides, I'll add the video clips of the drinks. Each slide will feature a different drink so the carousel presents them one by one. Now that the drink videos are added to the slides, adjust their size so the layout looks consistent. To do that, select the video and go to the position panel. From here, open the scale option, then change the scale value to 80%. This slightly reduces the size of the video and creates some breathing space around it, which helps keep the slide clean and balanced. Repeat the same step for other drink slides so all the videos have the same size and alignment. Next, I'll make a small design adjustment to improve the overall look of the slides. With the video selected, go to the corners option. Here I'll slightly increase the corner roundness, set the value to 10 which gives the video a soft rounded edge. Rounded corners help the design feel smoother and more modern compared to sharp edges. Apply the same corner setting to the other slides so the layout remains consistent across the entire carousel. Next, add the drink names to each of the slides. I'll repeat the same process for the remaining slides so each drink has its own title. Using the same font and size across all slides help maintain a clean and consistent design. Enhance the decorative elements on the title slide. First, select the sunflower element and go to the Effects panel. From here, I'll choose the glow effect. Then, I'll pick a color and slightly increase the blur. Set the blur value to 10 which creates a soft glow around the element and helps it stand out from the background. Repeat the same step for the coconut element. Adding a subtle glow effect makes these elements look more vibrant while still keeping the overall design clean and balanced. Select the title text and then go to the animation panel. From the available options, choose the typewriter animation. This animation makes the text appear as if it's being typed on the screen. For the sunflower element, choose the drop animation, and for the coconut element, select the rise animation. Finally, apply the typewriter animation to the remaining text on the other slides so the carousel maintains a consistent animation style. Now export the carousel.